And then let's look at our greens. Now that's pretty, but a bit too muted, so I don't think I want it. Then this is more of a green. No, not working for me. And this one is good. I'd say this one is definitely a yes. Oh, this is definitely a yes, even more than this one. But I'll keep both of them. Okay, so we have a possibility of basically these 5 pencils. And I think they would look really pretty. So now that we have more of an understanding, let's just do a color swatch right here. So I'll go in the color range to see if that would work all together. Oh, that's actually quite pretty here, doesn't it? And then we'd go with this one and this one. So at this point you could kick off some colors if you wanted to, and I'm thinking potentially to kick off one of these. I quite like this 3 colors here and that one, and I wonder if it's going to be too many. Anyway, I will leave them for now. I can't pick them just yet, so don't rush yourself into making decisions that you're not ready to make just yet. Let it marinate a little bit, take a little break, a coffee break, water break, whatever you want to drink, or just a little walk around the house, and then come back. Welcome back. So now it's time to pull out our painting back where it was and have a good look. So we could now swatch out these colors on this page as a color reference. Just going to use my Bible mat. So these are the colors, and I'm going to title them at this point because I want to remember what they are. Sometimes it helps to have swatches right on the page once you are more or less decided, because it could help you to actually understand if you want to use these colors or not, rather than having them externally. But you did need to go through quite a few of the other colors to do that. So if you didn't want it to look messy on your main page, then that's what you could do. Okay, let me just title them quickly. Okay, so here we are. We have got Carnelian by Luminance, Marigold by Holbein, Golden Sun, Derwent Lightfast, Holbein Olive Yellow, and Luminance Olive Yellow. So there is no reason for me to use 2 of the olive yellow, so I'm definitely going to kick out the Holbein and keep the Luminance Olive Yellow. And that leaves me with 4 pencils. Now, what I just realized as well, in the actual flower, we have got the situation where this beautiful stamen here, is that stamen? Are this same pinky color than the rest of the pink. But I don't want to do that. I think to have it pop, instead of using color that would really fit well, which I think is actually purplish red by Luminance, I would use the orange to do that with. And I think I'm going to go with the Carnelian. So that will be my option. For that you'll need to sharpen the pencil. And I'm going to start doing that first. So I'm just going to do like that, and you can see that that sort of makes things pop a little bit. Now for my other color, I will try to use a bit of the Golden Sun just to get things to stand out a little and see if I like it. Just use it in a few areas at first. It's actually a nice color. And then I might even go into this more vivid and more brighter color and just use it where you already used the other yellow color. See if that does anything you like. So even though this color is not really in the petals, I am using it to just bring things out a little bit, which is absolutely fine. And then with the green, I'm going to use the olive yellow as a bit of a popping color in the petals, those pink ones, and I think that looks really pretty. Something that makes things lift a little bit and maybe a little bit unexpected. You wouldn't expect there to be green because, you know, it wasn't in the actual flower. Now I have to say I really like this green now going through the pink, but honestly I do not like this yellow. Now this yellow has to go, and what I could do instead is I could try and put the green, see if that works any better for me. Or I could go even with a darker color. Let's see. I'll try to find a dark purple and get back. Okay, so Derwent Lightfast Violet and Purple. Let's see. Oh, this is good. This is really, really sort of inky dark purple. I can do with that. And this one is almost like a aubergine type of a warm tone. So I think I definitely like this color here more. And I will title them and use it. Okay, now let's see if this is going to, first of all, cover up this yellow color and maybe start doing something nice. Now I like pushing on my pencils. Actually, I think it looks quite interesting now because it's not just the purple. I'll give you a little close-up in a minute. But you have these other colors peeping through, and it actually is really interesting. It's a lovely kind of textural effect here. But the yellow is not sort of in the foreground anymore. And then I'm going to just add this in some of the petals, just at the edge, like so. Yes, so I think that works quite well. You also can use the pencil to add a bit of contrast. I remember that it's quite light in the middle, so I will definitely leave it lighter up there. Just run my pencil through the through the petals, just like that, to divide them a little bit. And I think this is quite nice. I probably would add just a bit more darkness just around here, like that. So that, I would say, pretty much would be it, but I kind of feel that I do want to go back to that pinky color and add the same bit of contrast, and it actually works really nicely with this color combo here. Just a few little touches. Just like so. And I think I'm quite happy with it, and I would say it's finished. So that is it. That's my fuchsia in my own interpretation and my own color scheme. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.